मैं 100% कह सकता हूँ कि this is remarkable. Okay, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Wow.
अपनी फीस खुद भर रहे हैं ये लोग का।
That's no way. We're gonna hire from you guys. तेरे को कहाँ IIT का मिल रहा था? So what's your prediction? What will happen since you're so close? What will happen to the world in the next 12 months?
Hey, Anupam,
Hey,
hi.
buddy.
Welcome
Thanks,
to
man.
SST.
Thanks for having me.
No, really, my name is Manmeet.
Manmeet ji.
हाँ जी, I work as
Sat Sri
the
Akal.
Sat Sri Akal,
The
sir.
concept is, how do doctors learn? Doctors learn inside a hospital in a very
Through a residency
hands-on
program.
bilkul, and the people teaching them are senior doctors.
So we're talking about ex-CTO of Blinkit, ex-CTO of Flipkart,
Yeah.
all of these tech folks, right?
Yeah.
Supported as many of them you see here actually.
Yeah, Bhavin's a good friend of mine.
Oh, is it? So Bhavin's a very big believer of SST's vision. We got together with all of those folks. Told them we need your blessings in terms of curriculum. You help us design.
Curriculum work backwards from what the industry needs, right? Updated every 6 months, right? Contrast to what like traditional BTech does,
Sure.
which doesn't update, right?
The people who teach. So in a space like this, you have people with industry experience. You're talking about people working at Amazon.
Wow, it's a big classroom.
That's a big classroom.
Yeah.
We have an entrance exam. Last year, 21,000 people gave it. And Anupam, you'll be surprised to know, we took only 680. That's not the surprising part. The surprising part is that 25% उसमें से ऐसे हैं who had offers from an NIT, IIT, BITS,
Wow.
Triple IT. They left that and came to us.
And it's very encouraging to see that the kids are doing that and getting off that fucking coaching treadmill and whatever.
Building real stuff, right? Do you know this guy?
Hey! How are you?
I'm good.
This Taylor scene is love, huh?
But we were the first ones.
Oh, you were the first batch.
Yeah, first
How are you, man?
So we run this incubation.
It's our Neo Sapien.
Yeah.
Shark Tank season 4 में I invested in one of a AI startup called Neo Sapien. बाद में पता चला किसी कॉलेज के इनोवेशन लैब में इंक्यूबेट हुआ था.
We were among the first one when they were just building it.
Yeah.
So Abhimanyu reached out to us and he was like, how about you build out a skater? So that's how we used to do.
Amazing.
Before
Where
you
is-
invested, this is where it was started. And
Where's
Dhananjay.
Aryan?
I didn't even talk to him.
Somebody has to work, right?
Yeah.
Students from the third year, second year, and also the first year are building their own cutting-edge startups.
There are other startups which are being built in our innovation lab. So the idea was that हमें campus पे we want to promote deep tech startups, right?
There is a startup which is building a humanoid on campus from scratch under the guidance of.
Ex-ISRO NASA scientist.
Oh wow!
He's worked as a director for AI at Ola
Yeah.
and has studied at Stanford. So was just building out a humanoid startup.
Our mission, right, like is to actually humanoid robots that can scale across multiple industries from logistics, warehouses, etc.
This is a huge business.
Yes.
This by itself, becoming the data provider
Yes.
for robotics manufacturers by itself is an amazing business.
Yes. Yes.
Awesome. Next guy I want you to meet is Krishna. Comes
Hi,
from
Krishna.
Maharashtra.
Oh wow!
His story is that Apple runs an Apple Developer Academy across the world internationally. So he was one of India's first kids to be selected for
I
that.
see the challenge and I see the. I got it.
Yeah.
Nice. Niche audience, but nice.
So the guy got selected for like a Y Combinator equivalent
Wow.
under the Apple ecosystem. So
Wonderful.
they are
Yeah.
sort of bumped him up to level 2. He's one more student that we would like you to meet. Suryansh, you want to introduce yourself?
Hey buddy, how are you?
I'm very nervous right now. Like, it's a complete fan.
I'm
moment for
nervous
me.
too meeting you. So
Meeting my
Same.
favorite entrepreneurs.
Oh,
Neeraj
good.
Shah. So, like you just saw the game built by one of my batchmate Krishna. So the mindset behind it, that is to build stuff, is that what I like personally in my college. Like when it was my time to join in, I had multiple options of joining NITs, triple ITs, but what pulled me here was one of the statements from our teachers that getting a job is the minimum what we can do for students. Making them build some stuff or exiting from college by building something is what made me.
लेकिन तेरे को डर नहीं लगा because it takes a lot of जिगरा लगता है यार to give up IIT or triple IT or NIT. मतलब माँ बाप ने तो बहुत लगाई होगी, पापा ने लगाया नहीं तपा
रिलेटिव्स ने तो बोला कि ये तो इट्स जस्ट अ गैम्बल, इट्स जस्ट अ गैम्बल. मतलब जैसे ही हमारा सेकंड ईयर आया, 96% of our batch was doing internships in various companies like Swiggy, Zomato, and some even went abroad.
सिर्फ स्टार्टअप्स ही नहीं, I got to know most of the students got placed in their third year itself, वो भी in top tech company?
My case, I joined in Runnable. That's one of the fastest growing AI startups.
We're gonna hire from you guys. I'm gonna put my team onto it.
Let me first introduce Arka.
How are you doing, buddy?
He works for
Nice to meet you.
Scalar AI Labs.
So as a Frontier AI lab, what we provide RL environment. So basically you can simply think of a total exact replica of an website. And suppose people gonna use it in like everyday visit. Suppose you can book flight immediately, like you have to go manually check it out. But what you want, suppose there is AI, they can book tickets for you with a single line.
So you follow the pattern of that
Yes, we provide exact data set, environment.
of the human. This is remarkable. I love what you're building.
ये भी वो पगला है जो छोड़ उड़ के आया.
अच्छा तेरे को कहाँ IIT में मिल रहा था?
I got Bits Pilani Goa MNC.
तू किन नहीं गया?
Came into Scalar, loved the infrastructure at the time, so why not give it up? Risk लेना life में बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
क्या बात है यार?
So
क्या बात
why
है?
not?
So what's your prediction? What will happen since you're so close? What will happen to the world in the next 12 months?
So the first thing, AI will replace this line is so bad, so wrong it is.
Right.
AI gonna make people's work easy so that they can focus more on intelligence rather than knowledge.
Sure.
So next 2 to 3 years, this era gonna be in a space where human gonna be leading that thing and AI is doing that thing.
If what I saw today is the next generation, then I'm 100% confident in the future of it. भाई इसको कहते हैं इंजीनियरिंग. मजा आ गया यहाँ पे. Go Scalar!